If you would like to use the results from Microsoft Forms with another application, you'll need to download them in other formats. In this way, you can then adapt the results to share or work on them in those applications. To open the response spreadsheet for a form, click on the form with the results you want to download. I'm going to open my How Can We Improve Our Website form. And I'm then going to click on the Responses tab at the top of the page on the right. And then I'm going to click on the Open in Excel button on the right side of the page. And when Edge asks me what I want to do, I'm going to click on the Open button to open the Excel document. Now Excel has opened, I'm going to start by clicking on the Enable Editing button at the top of the page in the notification in yellow. And now I can start editing the document. First, I'm going to highlight all the information. And then click on the Wrap Text button in the toolbar to see the information more clearly. And now that's more clearly set out, I'm going to export the results as a PDF, which will allow me to share them in emails or to print them out, etc. To do that, I'm going to click on File in the top left corner of my Excel window. And then I'm going to select Export from the menu bar on the left. The first option that is already highlighted is to create a PDF or XPS document. Creating a PDF is useful if you want to preserve the layout or formatting of your document. It's also important to note that sharing a PDF doesn't mean the people you've shared it with will be able to modify the document. To create your PDF, click on that button on the right side of the page. An Explorer window will open. You can modify the title if you want to. I'm going to make it shorter and click away to save that. And I'm going to click on the Publish button in the bottom right corner of that window. My PDF has opened automatically. I can see the information with the different columns, for example, the start time, completion time, etc., and the different rows that are represented with the different colors, pale blue, white, and then pale blue again. I also have the name of the people who responded to my form, Lisa, and then 2 responses from Julia. And if I scroll down to see the other half of my PDF, I can see that the rows correspond to the rows at the top. For example, Lisa rated the site's interface 5 out of 5, and Julia 4 and 3 out of 5. I'm now going to close the PDF and go back to my Excel document. You can also export the results document as a CSV, which is useful if you don't want to keep the formatting that's applied when you download the results.